strong plastic cabinet organizes and protects your small supplies and other components. Cabinets stack securely and can also be wall-mounted with keyhole slots. This stackable cabinet includes 26 large and small dividable drawers to multiply storage options. Clear unbreakable drawers offer easy content identification. Finger grip drawer pulls provide easy access, and rear stop tabs prevent contents from spilling. Frame is made of one-piece, high-impact plastic. Dividers are molded into the back of the cabinet. Use this heavy-duty wall-mounted metal storage rack to make the most of your wall space and turn a wasted place into a beautiful and efficient tool storage area. This floating shelf helps you keep all your frequently used project tools neatly organized, and it's also the ideal storage rack for tools in your garage or workshop. This heavy-duty design-powered tool holder will help you to use all 4 wall mount anchors to load tools up to 100 pounds. The size of each metal backboard is 17 x 4.8 inch, with 5 pieces orange Rubber-made hooks and 6 pieces black fixed hooks on each pack. It's a good choice for garage organization like garden shears. This is 4-pack, totally 68 inches long. YueTong wall-mounted broom holder you get will be a whole body with hooks assembled, so you can install it directly with the recommended drill size according to the installation paper. The BTO gives you the ability to hold plenty of your hand tools in a 5-gallon bucket. Made of poly ripstop, 600D poly material and built with 30 pockets, the Bucketeer fits any 5-gallon bucket. There are also 3 interior loops for hammers, drills. It's storing large, long tools in an area with a low to normal 7 to 8 feet ceiling. There are not run the risk of hitting the ceiling. Some small tools can be placed in the middle grid layer, such as scissors, electric pens, pliers, potted gadgets, etc. The rolling feature makes it nice if you want to roll the tower outside so you can keep multiple yard tools nearby for yard work. The Also Tools magnetic wrench organizer rack reliably holds your SAE and metric wrenches with efficiently designed clips, so you can grab the wrench you need quickly and easily. The wrench organizer holds SAE 3/8 of an inch through 15/16 of an inch sizes, and metric 10 mm through 19 mm sizes. Work quickly and efficiently with all your wrenches at arm's reach. The tool bag is made of 600D polyester waterproof fabric, which is not easy to break and is durable. Tool bags have bottom baffle to provide extra support and ensure that bag does not sag. The waterproof tool bag can effectively prevent rain or splashing water, keep the bag clean and dry, and prevent the tools in the bag from getting rusty and getting wet. It is a good companion for work. Tool bag has 25 pockets and a large internal space, with sturdy pockets both inside and outside. There are 9 pockets on the outside and 16 pockets on the side compartment. Three-piece SAE socket holder magnetic set comes with 68 slots, a 3/8 socket holder, half socket organizer, and 1/4 socket organizer. Each mobile socket organizer is a shallow and deep socket holder that easily accommodates to most tool chest drawers. Changing out sockets is quick and easy with the identifiable numbers on the socket holder's tray. No need to worry about your 3/8 socket organizer damaging your ferrous metallic surfaces with the OEM tool socket organizer's rubberized backing. Large space and capacity. not only convenient for storage, but also for making full use of the space. The toolbox dimensions: 16.5 inches length by 6.7 inches width by 7 inches high. The lock buckle is made of stainless steel, which is not easy to deform, and is strong and durable. The padlock hole can be locked to ensure safety. The small parts storage area is independently designed on the top, which is convenient to view and use, and has a reasonable layout without wasting space. The tool organizers and storage hold up to 4 electric-powered drills. The garage tool organizer wall mount fits about 99% of cordless drills on the market. The tool storage organizer allows for most cordless drills to hang upside down. By their battery housing, you can also store cordless impact drivers and hammers. The power tool holder has additional 18 small slots for storing drill bits and screwdrivers. The tool storage organizer provides easy access to your power tools, saves space and gives a convenient place to hang your drill while using it. Pre-drilled holes on the drill holder wall mount make the power tool organizer easy to mount on a wall.